Begin by finding a comfortable position, whether seated or lying down. Close your eyes gently and take a deep breath in, allowing your lungs to fill with fresh, invigorating air. With each breath, allow yourself to sink deeper into a state of relaxation, letting go of any thoughts or distractions. Imagine yourself immersed in nature, surrounded by the gentle rustle of leaves in the breeze, and the soothing sounds enveloping you in a blanket of tranquility. As you exhale, consciously release any tension or worries that you may be carrying within you. Visualize them as wisps of mist swirling gently around you before evaporating into the air like the morning mist over the verdant hills of lush green countryside. With each breath, feel the weight of these concerns lifting from your shoulders, leaving you feeling lighter and more at ease with every exhale. As you continue to breathe deeply, imagine roots extending from the soles of your feet, reaching down into the rich soil beneath you. Feel these roots anchoring you to the earth, providing a sense of stability and security. Like the ancient stones that dot the Irish landscape, you are grounded and unshakable. With each exhale, allow yourself to sink deeper into this connection with the earth, feeling a profound sense of belonging and peace wash over you. You are one with the land, part of its timeless beauty and wisdom. Take a moment to savor this feeling of rootedness and tranquility, knowing that you are supported by the nurturing embrace of Mother Earth. Feel the energy of the earth flowing up through your roots, replenishing you and revitalizing your spirit. As you inhale, draw in the fresh, revitalizing energy of the earth, filling your entire being with its healing power. With each breath, feel yourself becoming more aligned with the natural rhythms of the world around you, attuned to the whispers of the wind and the songs of the bird. Know that you are a beloved child of the earth, worthy of love and care. Embrace this connection with gratitude and reverence, knowing that it sustains and nourishes your body, mind, and spirit. And as you continue to breathe deeply, feel a sense of peace and serenity settle over you like a soft blanket, wrapping you in its warmth and comfort. You are safe, you are loved, and you are infinitely blessed. Now visualize yourself standing in the lush green fields of the Irish countryside, surrounded by vibrant shades of emerald and jade. Feel the soft grass beneath your feet and the gentle breeze caressing your skin. Now bring your awareness to your heart center, the source of love and compassion within you. With each inhale, imagine this energy expanding, filling your entire being with warmth and kindness. As you exhale, extend this love and compassion outwards, envisioning it as a radiant golden light that envelops everything around you: the land, the trees, the animals, and all living beings. Sense the interconnectedness of all things, like the intricate patterns woven into a Celtic knot. We are all part of the same tapestry, united in our humanity and shared experiences. Now imagine yourself reaching out and joining hands with those around you, forming a circle of unity and solidarity. Together we are stronger, supporting and uplifting each other on our journey through life. With each breath, feel the bonds of love and friendship growing stronger. Like the ancient oaks that stand tall and steadfast in the Irish countryside, weathering the storms of time. Take a moment to bask in this sense of connection and belonging, knowing that you are surrounded by love and supported by the universe itself. Now, take a moment to reflect on the following affirmations. I am grateful for the abundance that flows into my life effortlessly. I am a radiant being, shining my light brightly for all to see. I am one with the universe, and in this unity, I find strength, joy, and infinite possibilities. Know that you take with you this element of prosperity and luck in everything that you do. When you are ready, gently bring your awareness back to the present moment, noticing the surface beneath your body and returning your attention to your breath, noticing your body rise with every inhale and relaxing with every exhale, releasing any lingering tension. Gently begin to wiggle your fingers and toes, and slowly open your eyes. Carry this feeling of luck, love, and unity with you throughout your day, knowing that you are blessed with abundance in all of its forms. May you be guided by the luck of the Irish, and may your journey be filled with joy, peace, and endless blessings. Thank you so much for joining me in today's meditation. If you found it useful, please consider subscribing or giving it a like, or checking out one of these other videos you may also enjoy. I can't wait to see you next time, and until then, sláinte.